Hello students, this is your chapter number 5, Natural Disaster. So now open your textbook on page number 23. On 12th March 2011, Krishna saw the picture of a tsunami in the newspaper. After reaching school, she asked her class teacher, "Sir, I read the news about tsunami in the newspaper. How does a tsunami occur?" So, Krishna, a student, read in the newspaper about tsunami and he also saw the pictures. So, when she reached school, she asked the class teacher that she had read in the newspaper about tsunami and now how does tsunami occur? Sir replied, natural disasters are of two types. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami, and volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth, whereas disasters like flood, cyclone, forest fire, drought, etc., occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth. So the sir explained her that this tsunami is a natural disaster, and then he explained that natural disasters are of two types. One, those which occur due to changes in the interior of the earth, earथ के अंदर के पार्ट में, those are earthquake, tsunami, etc. And second, those which occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth, ऊपर पर सरफेस पर जो अर्थ में जो चेंजेस आते हैं उसके हिसाब से जो अकर होता है वो भी नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर है. एग्जाम्पल फ्लड, साइक्लोन, forest fire. First is earthquake. The weak upper crust of earth suddenly experiences tremors either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Now, the weak upper surface, weak यानी कमज़ोर, the upper crust of the earth becomes weak, कमज़ोर हो जाती है suddenly. And when it becomes weak, it experiences tremors. Tremors means halchal due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Now these tremors are due to the collision of plates. Collision of plates means एक दूसरे के साथ धरती के अंदर जो प्लेट्स होते हैं वो टकरा जाती है और ड्यू टू द प्रेशर इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, ट्रेमेंडस प्रेशर, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. Waves tremors of earthquake originate from its hypocenter, which is deep down below the surface of the earth. So these waves and tremors, waves यानी लहर, tremors यानी हलचल, लहर और हलचल ओरिजिनेट कहाँ से निकल शुरू होती है फ्रॉम इट्स हाइपोसेंटर विच इज़ डीप डाउन बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. सो डीप इन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ there is a place from where this earthquake originate, that is the hypocenter. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. So this shaking or trembling we call it as an earthquake, bhukamp. Waves are created from the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. So these earthquake waves जो लहर है they are created from the epicenter जहाँ से earthquake origin होता है during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake occurs due to internal disturbance in the earth. So the reason or why do earthquake occur? Because in the interior of the earth there are disturbances and due to that earthquake occurs. The waves of earthquake spread outward from the epicenter. Now when the earthquake takes place, उनकी जो लहर है वेव्स है they spread outward from the epicenter. Epicenter पर से बाहर आती है. The point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter or focus is known as the epicenter. So from where the earth or the point from where on the surface of the earth where actually the above the hypocenter or focus is known as epicenter. So the place exactly above the focus on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake decreases as we move away from the epicenter. जब हम दूर चले जाते हैं एपिसेंटर से, द इंटेंसिटी तीव्रता it becomes less or it decreases. The effects of an earthquake depend on the intensity of the earthquake. उनकी जो असर है, इफेक्ट है, it depends on the intensity. तीव्रता कितनी है, it depends on that. We can measure the intensity of the earthquake and know its point of origin or hypocenter with the help of a seismograph. So, an instrument is there known as seismograph through which we can measure the intensity. उनकी तीव्रता कितनी है वो measure कर सकते हैं, किसकी, earthquake की, and also know its point of origin, कहाँ से है intensity, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, वो measure करने के लिए एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, उसको बोलते हैं seismograph. There are three main reasons for the occurrence of earthquake, and the earthquake occurs. The three reasons are given. The first is earthquake caused by volcanic erosion. So volcanic eruption means ज्वालामुखी फटता है. Volcanic eruption, ज्वालामुखी फटने से earthquake होता है. First reason. Earthquake caused by strike slip faults. Fault है जो खिसक जाते हैं, टकराते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. Earthquake is caused. Earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. एक्टिव सबडक्शन जोन होता है जो अर्थ की प्लेट्स की मूवमेंट को देखता है. तो जब ये प्लेट्स की मूवमेंट होती है, द अर्थक्वेक अकर्स. सो दीज आर द थ्री रीजन्स व्हाई द अर्थक्वेक अकर्स. नाउ टर्न योर पेज नंबर 24. The center of the earth is approximately 6,371 kilometers from Earth's surface. So the center of the earth, this is the approximate the kilometers are given from the earth's surface, that is 6,371 kilometers. Now next is volcano. Volcano refers to an opening in the earth crust from which motion, lava, rock, fragments, ashes, dust and gases are ejected from below the earth's surface. So when the crust, that is earth's surface, the crust of the earth के ओपनिंग में जहाँ से पिघला हुआ लावा बहता है, that is which motion lava, rock fragments, पत्थर के टुकड़े, rock fragments, ashes, राख, dust and gases are ejected, वहाँ से निकलते हैं बाहर, and that form below the earth's surface, that are formed in the interior of the earth. So it is a vent, it is the opening on the crust of the earth, and during the volcanic eruption, rock material, ash, water vapor, gases and magma are thrown upwards, बाहर निकलते हैं towards the surface of the earth. Volcanic eruption occurs due to four main reasons. तो चार रीज़न है why do volcanoes occur. The first is high temperature in the interior of the earth. अर्थ के अंदर के भाग में टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता है, हाई हो जाता है. क्रिएशन ऑफ मैग्मा बन जाता है. देन क्रिएशन ऑफ गैसेस एंड वेपर. गैसेस और वेपर ज़्यादा बन जाता है इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. राइजिंग ऑफ मैग्मा टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ सरफेस. जब मैग्मा बढ़ जाता है, देन दैट मैग्मा इट कम्स टूवर्ड्स द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. So these are the four reasons why volcano occurs. The magma is pushed upwards by the gases lying under the magma. Now this magma, when it increases in the interior of the earth, it is pushed upwards. Secondly, the water percolating through the cracks and opening of weak rocks surface turns into vapor. Then in the interior of the earth, among the rocks there are cracks. तड़ पड़ी गेली होय. So water percolating means water is absorbed through this crack, and the openings of weak rock surface turns into vapor. This water it turns into vapor. This vapor is full of pressure owing to lack of space and tries to come out with great force. Now this vapor is formed in the interior of the earth. More and more vapor is formed, so the space is not enough, lack of space, जगह ज़्यादा नहीं है. And so this vapor it tries to come out with great force, एकदम ताकत से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करती है vapor. This vapor also causes magma to rise upwards. With the vapor, the magma also tries to rise upwards. The gases present in the magma reach near the surface of the earth and erupt with a high pressure in the form of lava, ash, gases, rock pieces of various shapes and size, etc. So, the gases which are present in the interior of the earth in the magma, they reach near the surface of the earth with the pressure of vapor, and they erupt with a high pressure. They come out. They erupt with a high pressure in the form of, now when they erupt in the high pressure, they come out in the form of what? In the form of lava, ash, gases, rock pieces of various shapes and size. पत्थर के pieces, rock pieces of various shapes and size, अलग अलग shape और size के. And this is known as volcano. And this we call it, उसको हम volcano बोलते हैं. All these volcanic residuals come on the surface of the earth and form a mountain-like structure. Now, ये जो प्रेशर से जो बाहर निकलता है वो सब मटीरियल बाहर आता है और पहाड़ जैसा सरफेस बना लेता है. When all these materials come out on the surface of the earth, it forms like a structure like a mountain. If the amount of gases and vapor is more and the vent on the earth's surface is narrow, now whatever material, the gases and the vapor which is coming out from the interior of the earth is in more quantity and the vent on the earth's surface is narrow. Vent means opening, जहाँ से बाहर निकलता है. If it is narrow यानी साकड़ू है, then the eruption is dangerous. Then that eruption it becomes dangerous, खतरा है. But if the amount of gases is less, the amount of gases and vapor is less, कम होता है, and the vent is broad, जो opening है वो बहुत broad है and long, then the molten lava comes out slowly. Then whatever the material, the lava comes out from the interior of the earth, it comes out slowly because the vent is broad, बड़ा है, and spreads itself on the earth's surface, and अपने आप ही वो earth surface पे फैल जाता है. So students, now rest of the chapter we will discuss in the next video.